Hey guys, I wanted to start making some educational content. I already do this on my Twitch, twitch.tv/FIU Captive. This video I pulled and edited from my stream, twitch.tv/FIU Captive, since OBS Ninja is pretty easy to set up already. I have a scripted video I'm working on too, just for educational content. And I also have some plans for other content coming up. But if you can like, subscribe, and comment on the video, it really helps the channel. Enjoy the video. Thank you for coming around. Bye-bye. Let's set up OBS Ninja. Let's show Momo how to do OBS Ninja. What do y'all say? What do y'all say? Just take a quick break from this. Yes, sir. OBS Ninja. Do you not know what OBS Ninja is? This is really easy. I can show you on stream right now because it's super easy. Like dead. It's the easiest in the world. Like I'll show you right now. I will teach you the ways of OBS Ninja. Now, you can do this with your phone, or you can do this. I'm going to show you on browser, but just same idea for your phone, okay? So you go to OBS Ninja, add camera to your OBS. You click that. It's the same on the phone. OBS.Ninja, okay? You choose your audio source. Oh, right. I can't do this because all of my webcams are being used right now. Okay, here, I'll show you what to do here first, just so you can see it on screen. Add camera to your OBS, and then you run it, okay? I don't know. Disable video, start. So you click start, and there's gonna be a link. You need to copy that link, okay? Once you got that link copied, okay? I'm gonna do it on my phone now. All you need to know is to copy that link. If you have Streamlabs OBS, I can show you on here. And I can show you on regular OBS, depending which one you use, okay? Video capture device, click add. Browser source. You need a browser source, okay? Add source. Browser source, doesn't matter what it's called. And then you need to type in the URL that's at the top of your OBS Ninja page there, okay? So you got to type in https://obs.ninja/ and then the last few characters there, which are !view st. And don't worry about people stealing this because it's only over your local area. Over your local area network, all right? Okay. So then what you do, super easy. You just crop it. If you guys don't know how to crop an OBS, click Alt. Okay, Alt is clicked. And then you click these guys and you crop it. Okay. If you don't have Alt clicked in, it resizes. But if you do have Alt clicked in, Alt, the alternate key right next to the spacebar, right? That glance. Exactly. And then boom, you got audio, you got video, you can walk around. It's not the best. It's not like 4K and like the color depth is pretty weird. But that's just because it's over the network. But hey, it's wild, man. Like this, it's that easy. It's that easy. Anyway, so there's that. There's that one. I can show you on regular OBS. Now with OBS, it's easy. You guys know how to do browser source. Same idea. Add browser. Browser. Call this OBS Ninja. Boom. Done. https://obs.ninja. Okay. View equals WDXUY 4C. Boom, we're there. We're there. Same idea. It's the same idea. Click Alt. The cool thing on this one is the cropped sides turn green. And boom, you're done. You have OBS Ninja now. See? OBS Ninja on OBS and Streamlabs OBS. All right? Easy peasy. You're living breezy. All right? Your life is nice. Guys, it's literally that. I told you it was going to be easy. What did I tell you? Fellas, what did I tell you? This is why you got to come to Tech Tuesday, baby. This is why you got to come to Tech Tuesday. All right? All right? Because this is how I be feeling. Some days on Tech Tuesday, I sometimes be feeling like this. So I need people who will actually listen to me on my tech days, okay?